How do you translate any of my videos to your own language? Often I receive questions about how to translate my videos into another language. You can easily view my educational videos here in YouTube by searching for my name, Ebraheim. Ebraheim. Then you get my channel. Then you choose any video you want, or you can search my name and the video you want to see. Put Ebraheim and the title of the video. Then use closed captions as a tool for understanding the content of my video in your own language. The auto-translation function that YouTube added to the video can help you in translating any video to any language you want. The process of translating my video into your own language can be done with a few simple steps. Here I am going to be using my video compression of the spinal cord and hand function as an example to show you how to activate closed caption CC function for this video and for all my videos. Locate the CC option at the bottom of each of my video. Occasionally, you can see it at the top of the video. Selecting the CC function may auto-generate the subtitle into English. However, this can be easily changed into any other language. You will play the video and see if you have at the bottom a closed caption button, and it is called CC. So if no subtitles coming on the video, then you will turn on the closed caption button. If you don't have CC, then we forgot to add that function, so alert me and I will add it. Then once you activate this closed captions button, you will see the automatically translated closed caption in English, because that is the default language, as you can see here. Compression of the spinal cord and hand function. Then the second button to click is to go to the settings. This is the settings button. You go to the subtitles and you click on that, then you find the auto-translate. The automatically translated closed caption in English, as you can see here. This auto-translate would allow you to translate the subtitles or the captions into any language you want. So in this video, we use two examples. One, the Arabic language. The other one is the Hindi language. Cervical myelopathy is a form of neurologic impairment due to compression of the spinal cord in the cervical canal. So you can see the subtitles are automatically translated into Arabic. Compression of the spinal cord and hand function. Cervical myelopathy is a form of neurologic impairment due to compression of the spinal cord in the cervical canal. This is a great service that YouTube provided to the community, and you can do that easily. So the video can be automatically subtitled and automatically translated into any language you want. Thank you very much. I hope that was helpful.